All right, so I wanted to make this quick video on a trend that I'm seeing with AI companies taking their products to market. Now, I've been in tech go-to-market for over 8 years, and one of the biggest shifts that I've seen when it comes to go-to-market is the fact that a lot of organizations are starting to adopt an FDE model. Now, an FDE stands for Forward Deployed Engineer. These are engineers that not only demo your product, but they actually embed with your customers to be able to onboard real-world use cases onto your platform. So for example, I've been building my company on the side, but I also do work full-time at an AI startup. The startup that I work at, we provide a platform that allows machine learning teams and researchers to be able to train and deploy their own custom AI models. Now, a lot of the organizations that I sell to want to build their own AI models in-house, but they really struggle to have the skill sets and hire for the skill sets to be able to do this. Because if you think about a great machine learning researcher or machine learning platform team, they need to have skill sets in both systems, so understanding GPUs, understanding networking, and being able to solve those systems problems so they can maximize their GPU utilization. And they also need to understand algorithms, like when to use something like Megatron or FSDP. So they also need to have a deep understanding of machine learning algorithms and when to use which. Now, because it's so difficult to hire for that type of engineer, a lot of organizations won't even take that first step to go 0 to 1 in order to build their own AI models. So we've seen a lot of success with having an FDE being able to help augment and kind of cover the blind spots or the weak spots for a lot of organizations so they can start actually building their own in-house models, understanding and enabling the team so they can go from 0 to 1 and then they can go from 1 to 100 or whatever and really start owning their AI initiatives. Most of the deals have an FDE attached even before we close the contract because we are seeing much higher win rates, bigger deals, and faster time to close using this model. So if you're building an AI product and taking it to market, something you should definitely incorporate earlier on in your sales cycles is really embedding with your customer, having them pick a real world use case and then taking that from 0 to 1 so they feel confident that they can do this for themselves with other workloads. You build a ton of credibility and your platform becomes way more stickier, because I think those companies that can deliver their platform or their product with a service component and a training component are going to be way stickier within their customers, and then also kind of create a moat for themselves because they have this ability to deploy their platform and accelerate the time to value of their platform. All right, guys, that's the video for today. I make videos on sales and AI and how AI is really impacting your ability to generate more pipeline and close more customers. So if you like that kind of content, follow me here on this channel.